All right, problem number 8. We are solving the systems of linear equations by substitution. So your answer should be an ordered pair. So we got to make sure it's solved for y first, which they both are. Perfect. Now we're going to set mx plus b equal to mx plus b. So I'm going to take this mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. So negative 3x plus 11, just like that. I'm going to set it equal to the second one, which is negative 4x plus 13, just like that. Now we solve for x. And again, I'm going to go kind of quick through this. So I'm going to add 4x because we want the variables on one side. Cancel here. Negative 3x plus 4x gives us 1x plus 11 equals 13. Now, I want to get the x by itself, so I need to move this plus 11. I'm going to do that by subtracting 11. We drop this down. We can just write x. The 1 is invisible. It's a positive 1, so we don't need to do anything. We can just rewrite it, and 13 minus 11 is 2. Now, we're going to take this x value. We're going to plug it into one of our equations. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it into y equals negative 4x plus 13. And you can plug it into any equation you want. You can plug it into either one. Just make sure it's the original equation. Y equals negative 4 times 2 plus 13. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And then we add 13 to that, which is 5. So what we have right now is an ordered pair of 2, 5. But what we want to do is we want to double check our answer. So we're going to plug it back into our original equations. So I'm going to plug in my x and I'm going to plug in my y right here. X, y, just like that. So I have y equals negative 3x plus 11 and y equals negative 4x plus 13, just like that. So I'm going to plug in my y. 5 equals negative 3 times 2 plus 11. And I'm just going to do this one first. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 11. Negative 6 plus 11 is 5, and this one actually does check out. Let's check this one. 5 equals negative 4 times 2 plus 13. 5 equals negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 plus 13. Whoops, that's a 13. 5 equals 5. Checks out. So our correct answer here, 2, 5. Make sure when you type these in, you don't put any spaces. You just do parentheses, 2, 5 parentheses.